Nothing like going on a picnic and checking out what's in my new BattleBox 120. First off, check your BattleBox, get your golden ticket 10-year anniversary. You want to scratch this off and see, hey, there's all kinds of cool stuff. First off, we got the Exotac Fire Sleeve Mini, which I am very excited about. I've been carrying one of the regular fire sleeves for quite some time now. I love it that they made one for a mini Bic lighter. These work fantastic. Insulate your lighter, keeps it away from moisture. Fantastic little design. We have some fire plugs. I brought some boxes here to the picnic area to burn some boxes while we're here. So I'm going to utilize these and my Uberleben ferrocerium rod. Seems that we have a theme. If we're going to build some fires, we also need to be able to put them out. The fire building stuff is in the basic box, but here in the advanced box, we have a Prepared Hero fire blanket. These are just going crazy. I love that these are in this battle box. You put these over a flame, it's going to rob it of oxygen and help you put out a fire. These are great to have around the house, what have you. We also have Prepared Hero Vapor Clean and Dry Stop. So the Vapor Clean is effective on Class A, basically ordinary combustibles like wood and paper and stuff of that nature. And the Dry Stop is good for Class D and Class K. So basically flammable metals and cooking oils and fats. So these are, let me open these up and I'll show you what's in here. These are basically mini fire extinguishers, so check it out. I want to keep these and put these at my house, so I'm not going to utilize them today. But you pull out the safety stop right here. Once you pull that out, you can then utilize this plunger and utilize this on a fire. Kelly kettle. If you've never seen one of these things, it's pretty unique. Basically, you can use these without a base, but it comes with a base as well. You can put some tinder in here, like pine cones or grass or sticks or whatever you want to put in there. Put your kettle on top of it. The beautiful thing about this is that the water that you put inside the Kelly kettle right here can be warmed basically all the way around instead of just on the bottom. Think about it. You don't have to put the whole thing into fire. Put this part into the fire. This particular unit in this battle box comes with a hobo stove, so you can actually put your fire tinder in there, put this on there, put any sort of pan on top of this, and cook right here. Pug approved. Civivi Cloud Peak fixed blade. Check this dude out. It's got G10 OD green handle. It's got a nickel silver guard. That's sweet looking. It's a satin finish D2 steel. It's got a brown leather sheath with a black lanyard on it. And the blade length is 4.5 inches and the cutting length is 4.17 inches for an overall of 9.51 inches. So check everything out in your mission brief for box 120. Fantastic equipment. And don't forget, just another reminder, there's a golden ticket. Check these out. There's no telling what you can get when you scratch this off.